was it die, baby? Namie, was it die, baby? Me free me mo. So if I play this, so if free me mo, you can see. It's a language. Welcome once again to all my cherished fans here. Today we are going to tackle a lesson called praises, licks, and how to create your licks in playing of the praises songs. How to understand them is the basic thing, because I can see if we are graduating from beginner to intermediate and advanced, so I have to teach other techniques and tricks involved in playing of the praises. So if you've not subscribed or you are new visitor to this channel, please don't forget to make the red written subscribe here black all the time. Keep it black, so you've been part of this wonderful class and wonderful family. So we are going to take songs, about 2-3 songs, making it clear for you to understand the chord concept, how to play them, how to understand even the places itself, because this will not be the second lesson. I've done first lesson before. This will not be the end. We will continue doing the praises and worship other songs. My friend has requested for Daughters of Glorious Jesus Aseda. So after this lesson, I will try to do that one too for you. So stay tuned. If you get this video, share it to your Facebook, Instagram, and other social media sites as well, for people to join us in the lesson. So let's go straight to the board. So by continuing, let's say we are using key F. Let's use key F. This is F, because as for the board, we've done some works on the board, so I'm not sure we need to go back and calculate why this is F. I'm sure for now most of us know what the key F is. This is F, because B, free, C sharp or D flat, D, E flat or D sharp, E. We have F here. So this is F chord. So for this lesson, please take your time slowly, because I'll not rush on the lesson. I will make sure that everybody will understand it. So let's use a song. This is Do or Do, Fa, So. So you have another So here, because F, C is So, C as So, Do F, Fa B flat, Re is G minor, so you can play Re here. Or then La. When we play Do, we add this one under the Mi note here. So we have this is all the things we need to play. So let's say we are starting a song like Lord, Lord, you so good. So let's back that part. Lord, you so good. Because for the picking, I'm sure we've done it. So let's brush it. So Lord, you so good, Lord. Again, Lord, you so good. So let's continue. Lord, you so good, Lord. So, because you can see we've reached too far. Do re mi do re mi re la, do, la. Then we move to fa because la, we read fa. Lord. So, Lord, you so good. Lord. So, Lord, you so good. Lord, you can see, Lord, Lord, you so good. Lord, so that's Lord, so you do the feeling. Lord, you so good. That's fine. Lord, you so good. The dance feeling, you so good. You are kind. So let's explain the language here. Oh my God, is so good. Lord, that's the feeling. So you fail to meet the chord. Lord, you so good. Oh my Lord is so good. Oh my Lord is so good. Lord, you are kind. So, Lord, you so good. Lord, good Lord. So la so fa mi re mi do so. So let's go around it. Lord, you so good. Lord, we are kind. My Lord is so kind. My Lord is so kind. So create your own feeling and play it with the guitar. So take your time and create your own feelings and sequences that will move you to the next chord. Lord, you so good. Yeah, because you are going, oh Lord. So you can play it that way. You can play it. So la to la so fa, so la to la so re fa, Lord. So Lord, you so good, Lord. Because if we met the same fa, because any note or the spelling that we are playing, we have to meet one of the notes in the fa. Either la, fa, or do. So let's check how we can manage to meet the do. Lord, you so good. Lord, 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 because you can see, Lord, 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 you are kind. So you are kind. You can create. You are kind. You can create your own way. You are kind. So la mi do re mi. Lord, you so good. Lord. So the basic thing to understand is the chord. Which chord you are on and what is the next chord that you are moving to. So create your own. It cannot be only down notes. You can create even the top. Lord, oh, Lord, Lord, so Lord, you so good. Lord, you can see so la ti do re mi. Lord, you are kind. Lord, you are wonderful, my Lord. Excellent. fa, do, ti, so, fa. That is 7th, C7 here. Because we match it to the song. My Lord, you are excellent. My Lord, you are excellent. My Lord, you are excellent. So take your time and rehearse and get your own way of playing your things, because it depends on how you understand the chord, the concept. What are you singing? And the guitar you are playing, don't just play for play sake, maybe, or that without knowing the exact thing you are doing, because we are doing backing, we are not doing solo. So the backing, if you can feel that encomious way, please, you have to rehearse and understand the song and know exactly what you want to do. Oh Lord, you so good. Oh, so, my Lord, you are kind. My Lord, you are kind. Because it's a language. Lord, you so good. Lord, my Lord, you are Lord. This, my Lord, you are kind. But the Lord, Lord, you are. Do, ti, la, fa. So you can see. Oh, you so good. Lord, you so good. My Lord is so good. Because you guys see, my Lord is so good. Lord, you so good. Lord, you are kind. Lord, you are wonderful. My Lord, you are excellent. Excellent is thy name. Lord, 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 Sula tola, Lord, you are kind, Lord. Solato, lato, solato. Solato, sola, fa, mi, re, di. Do, re, mi, so, mi, do, so. Because you can play Suzy, la, Suzy. So. Because if you are singing the song or you understand the song, you get the picture of exactly what I'm doing. Because re, mi, fa, mi, re, so, la, ti, do, ti, la, so. I've already taught this lesson in the previous lesson we did. So it's better to understand the song, know how the song is moving. Lord, So good. Because seventh, the reason why I play this seventh, because when we are going to far, we have the opportunity or the asset to play the far a seventh here. You know, here you add do ti do la do la. You can see I've added a seventh to the so instead of going to so like. Then I play the seventh. Lord, you so good. Lord, you are kind. Lord, you are wonderful. Lord, Lord, excellent. Onyami wasida ye bebre. Onyami wasida ye bebre. So if we are the so God, Onyami wasida ye bebre. You can see, because you can see we are still in the so called, or you can, it rests still on the so. Ye baby, Namie was it ye baby, me free me moon. Again, so na tola so fa mi re fa. Again. Sometimes I play this so here like minor. It's not minor because of the diminished. So if I play this, so it means when I move, me free me move. Any makume, so any makume, if remimu, you can see any makume. It's a language. Any makume, any makume. Because you can see we are moving too far, so we have to play the thing to meet the far. So again, fa mi re la do re mi ti re do mi free mi mu. Any makume, Namia da ye baby, be free me moon. Any makume, Namia da ye baby, Namia was it da ye baby. Because we are still on the zone, Namia was it da ye baby, be free me moon. So. Mi red blood o mi ti do. The only thing to know is to know how to sing the song and understand the song. And create your own language. Whether you are going to far or sometimes when you are going to so, you can create it to so. Or when you are from so coming to do, you can create. Then there is a rest. You can, when there is a rest, you come back. Me free me or unyamia say da ye baby. This is not to show off, but I'm broadening your understanding so that when you follow some of these licks and notes, you understand them better and create your own, because I said it's a language. So let's do last song here. Okay, let's go to which places. I can see we have done a lot, but if you understand exactly what we are doing, it means you are okay. You can create your own. Take time. You cannot play fast as I'm doing, or just no. The only thing to know is to understand the chord. How to create. Which word are you creating the notes? So create your own notes that will be permanent for you. Or sometimes, whenever you play guitar, it be your signature. Because if you follow me well, you can recognize my signature. Because even maybe I even don't know myself that this is my signature, or this is exactly any play or any song I do play this. But if you monitor me well, you listen to one or two notes, all my lessons, all my personal free playing, you hear that thing in it. So you must have your signature. It depends on how good the sound, the notes sound to you, and you practice it more. So sometimes it's not copying somebody, but learning from somebody. I'm just learning here. I'm not encouraging everybody to copy as verbatim as I'm doing. So let's end this case here. Let's end this lesson here. So tomorrow in the next lesson, I will continue the same lesson. Praises playing and even worship other songs. If you have any song, please bring it here. We will all break it down and learn systematically. Anything concerning guitar, that is your problem, please. You are at right place. So don't worry and bother yourself at all. Just let us know that this, please, I want us to all learn this. We will break it down and learn it. Because I have another request from Daughters of Glorious Jesus Asedaben by one of my top fans. Tomorrow will be that lesson. So stay tuned, and thank you all for joining me making this wonderful channel. Don't forget to share the video to your social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and other Instagram things. So thank you. Welcome once again.